Hey guys, what's up? So I have a 2007 Volvo 2.4 a natural aspiration engine, and I got this weird code ECM-250A, and I looked up on the internet, so I tried to fix it. Right when I got the codes, the list of codes, what can be wrong. It's pretty big, but I will show you too. So here we have the list, right? And it's pretty big for just the one code. But anyway, you can try to start from a small thing to try to fix it and end up with changing everything here, and you can still have it. You have the code on a check engine light. But and I found a video, a guy where it says to replace the hose from brake booster vacuum. So it's this one. So I replaced the vacuum and it didn't work. Then I replaced the actual brake booster and it didn't work, even though I changed a lot of things already. Then I changed the MAF sensor too, right? And it didn't work. So I ended up thinking that the fuel pressure sensor is bad. So I will show you what I changed and how I fixed my engine light. So this is the car. This is a 2007 Volvo S40 2.4 liters natural aspiration. So the first thing that I changed, it was this hose, brake booster vacuum hose. So it comes from here and goes. So I replaced the whole piece. I got it from a used car. It's a part car, and it didn't work. So after that I decided to replace the actual brake booster vacuum pump. Is right here. So I have the old one. Probably this is a good one. I didn't try to figure out if it's good or not, because I replaced it from a used one. And then I replaced the air sensor. The code was still on, so I tried to figure out what else can be. So after a couple days I found a blog where a guy is saying that he replaced the fuel pressure sensor and did work, and he said that after a couple weeks the light didn't come out. So I decided to get the same used sensor from my part car. But the only thing that I got, this is this sensor, a fuel pressure sensor. It comes from a turbo engine. It's a T5. It's a 2.5 turbo engine. So I was thinking it's going to work, because this is 2.4 natural aspiration, right? But here I have the old one, and it's black, right? This is the original from this engine, and this is 2.5 engine. But it doesn't have any issues with that. Probably it's the same part but a different color. So I already erased the code, so I'm going to show you that I don't have any issues. It's just engine hood open. That's the message, but I don't have any check engine light. I hope for those people who has the same issue, you guys will figure out and try to replace some small things on top. Sometimes, that can be the issue. But in my case, I replaced let's say 3 sensors, the vacuum hose, and the brake booster. Um, so good luck and see you next time.